TEFFO's observation, nothing was stolen from the house. If it was a robbery, why were cell phones, wallets, and jewelry left untouched? This raises doubt. Was it really a robbery gone wrong or something else? This was not a robbery. It was a murder in cold blood, inside that house, and everyone inside knows what happened. TEFFO. Inconsistent witness statements. There were multiple versions of what happened that night. Some witnesses changed their stories over time, and others seemed afraid or unwilling to testify fully. TEFFO argued this suggested coaching or intimidation, possibly by powerful people. The real shooter might be protected. TEFFO boldly claimed Kelly Khumalo accidentally shot Meiwa and that the state was protecting her. While he didn't provide direct forensic proof, the police's slow progress and reluctance to charge anyone in the house gave his theory weight. The question still lingers, why hasn't anyone inside the house been officially charged? Alleged cover-up by authorities, TEFFO pointed to irregularities in the investigation, including delays in forensic analysis, interference with crime scene evidence, internal police conflict about who should lead the case. These are not wild claims. They are documented issues in the public record. Public frustration matches his questions. The Meiwa case dragged for over 8 years with no justice. Until the current trial began, the public lost trust in the system. TEFFO became a voice for that frustration, asking, why are the wrong people being prosecuted while the real killer walks free? The dilemma, yes, TEFFO raised valid issues that deserve answers. But his delivery, conspiracy talk, and court drama made people question his ideologies. That doesn't mean his main argument is false. In fact, many believe if someone else with a calmer legal approach had handled the same evidence, the case might look very different right now. While representing the accused in the Senzo Meiwa murder trial, TEFFO warned that his disbarment could set the whole country on fire, arguing that South Africans hoped he would expose a corrupt relationship between SAPS and
the NPA. He became part of the ATM party's campaign, challenging the alleged cover-up in the Fala Fala burglary scandal, arguing that senior police figures failed to report crimes and improperly handled suspects.
His expertise was leveraged because of his background in SAPS and prosecuting police cases. Alleged corruption and misconduct complaints against TEFFO LPC filed over 20 complaints alleging violations including corruption under South Africa's Prevention and Combating Corrupt Activities Act, misappropriation of funds, misleading court, harassment, assault of SAPS officers, and receiving payments as a non-trust advocate. The High Court described his conduct as serious and dishonest, ultimately disbarring him in September 2022. With instructions to surrender his practicing certificate and cease using client funds. Recent developments, contempt and suspended sentence in July 2025, the LPC confirmed TEFFO's persistent disregard for court orders and refusal to cooperate. The court warned he could face imprisonment if he continued acting as if he was still an advocate. A Pretoria High Court judge handed him a 12-month suspended sentence, conditioned on absolute compliance with the strike of order. He was also ordered to pay over 100,000 rand in LPC legal costs to start evaluating TEFFO's corruption claim strengths, TEFFO's focus on police, prosecutorial, and institutional failures. Example, lack of reporting of crimes or alleged on-scene interferences well documented and aligns with broader public concerns about corruption in law enforcement. His assertions got traction in national discussions, including parliamentary inquiries, for example, Fala Fala weaknesses,